Subscribe to Tech with AJT and don't forget to click on that bell icon to get notified when I upload a new video. Hey friends, in this video I have a more better and more budget friendly alternative to the JBL Pulse 3. This is the Artis BT504 and in this video I'm going to unbox and review this speaker. So let's move in. So hey friends, this is the box of the Artis BT504 RGB. So this is a very giant box. Like I have unboxed the 405 also, and the box of that speaker was huge, but this is more bigger than that. And as you can see, first we are going to read what's written on the box, then we are going to move inside the box. So first, as you can see, it has a USB reader, SD card slot, 10 meters operating range, FM radio, a cylindrical design. Like I have unboxed many speakers of Artis, like the 405, the 306, both are in cylindrical design. This is also in the cylindrical design. And the 4.5 hours of playback time, multi-cone speakers, mode, volume, track controls, all the controls, aux input. And as this is a RGB speaker, you get great glowing lights also. You get two mic supports also, like two inputs for mic and a LED display. So now let's move inside the box. So as you can see, there is a mic provided in the box, and this is a wireless mic. So this is the speaker. By God, it's a huge speaker and it's very heavy. It's not a portable speaker, not in any means. So you can just remove the speaker. So this is the speaker. So let's check the accessories. So as you can see, your accessory package and your manual and more stuff inside the box, the warranty thing also over here. So let me just keep the box aside and we'll look at the accessories provided in the box. So this is the manual, this is the accessory package. As you can see, your auxiliary cord, the charging cord, and your two AA batteries for the mic. So now we'll clean all this stuff and move to the speaker. So friends, this is the Artis BT504 RGB and this is a giant speaker. Like for comparison, I have the Artis BT405 which I have unboxed and reviewed. And if you want to see the individual review, over here you can see there is a card, or you can click on that I tab. And I have the Artis BT306 also, and the Artis BT504 is the bigger speaker. Like it looks huge in comparison to the 405 and the 306. Like the 405 just looks like a kid and the 306 looks like a baby in front of this 504. And now moving on to the build quality and design of the Artis BT504. The Artis BT504 feels top notch. Like the build quality is good. The whole materials used in making of this speaker is plastic, but soft touch plastic, not rough at all. There are no rough edges anywhere. Whole shell is made out of plastic. This silver accents look quite good, stylish, and the center part is also plastic. But under the center part there are RGB lightings, which I'm going to show you in a moment in the sound test. And as you can see over here, inside of the speaker, this is the housing for all your buttons. Like you get a volume up down roller over here. You can change the mic echo and the mic volume from here. Charging port, charging LED indicator, on off switch. You get a LED display over here in the center, and bottom of that LED display your play pause button, your changing tracks over here, your mode button also up here. You have a USB port over here, your aux input, SD card slot, two mics input also in this speaker. And feature wise, Artis is providing you with lots of features. Like you get many kinds of connectivity options. Like you get a mic input, you get a Bluetooth, you get a USB slot, you get a SD card slot, you get a aux input port, also you get mic ports also. Like you can input two mics inside this speaker, wired mics. And the great thing is that you don't have to go in the market and buy some mics. The mic is provided in the box itself. Like this is wow factor of this company. Like, they provide you such features like no other company will provide you at this price. This is a budget speaker, and this is also karaoke also. But the downside of this speaker is the battery. Like, Artis is not providing you bigger batteries. Like the 306 and the 405 have 1500 mAh. This has a 1800 mAh. Being the biggest speaker in their lineup, this is having just 1800 mAh of battery, which will give you a playtime of 3 hours. Like, on the box it's written 4.5 hours, but in my usage it goes up to only 3 hours. That is quite less in my opinion. Like, the whole party goes up to 5 to 6 hours, but still it is okay in my opinion. But you can charge your device from this USB port also, and you get a rubber strap on the top also to pick the speaker, and these straps are removable. So you can see there is a buckle, so you can just remove it. And now we are going to move on to the sound test of this speaker. I have connected the Artis BT-504 to the Nexus 6P, and the name of the song is Let Me See You NCS Release, and the volume from my device is full. So now I'm going to play the song, and as you can see, the LEDs doesn't look that bright because there are some lightings also over here, and it's the daytime. I'm going to show you a small clip in the dark. So now I'm going to play the song. And now the mic test, the quality test of this mic. So just switch the mic on. You can see a red LED indicator appearing over here, like, see. So now I'm going to speak in the mic and check the quality. The quality is top notch from the mic also.
Hello, this is Tech with HD. Please subscribe to Tech with HD and like this video, and don't forget to click on that bell icon.
Friends, as you have heard this speaker, now we come to a conclusion. This speaker sounds superbly loud, and there is not a little bit of distortion. It's very crisp, clear, and the bass is just thumping, and those bass headers will love this speaker for the bass and the loudness it provides. Like, the bass part is superb and the loudness is also superb. Considering this speaker is just 23 watts, this speaker is just a game changer for that 23 watts. It can sound so good at this price, and I think this is a all-in-one speaker. Like, you get many features, and the disadvantage for this speaker is the size and the battery. The battery is too small, just 3 hours, 1800 mAh. But I think it's quite okay. It's fine because I can connect it to the charger and play music also. But the size, it's not portable. I know you can carry it anywhere near your house, that like there is a party in your friend's house, you can carry it there, but you cannot travel with it. It's not at all portable, but this is a eye catcher, and the party will be going with this speaker only. The sound is superb, the bass is banging, thumping, whatever you can say. The bass is superb, the sound is loud, and as you can see over this part, I think this is not a speaker. You can see this is hollow, but the speakers are all over this side. The 6-inch subwoofer and those tweeters are all over this side. I don't know why they just wasted this side for the air circulation, I think so. This is the best thing money can buy. I love this speaker. This is a great alternative for the JBL Pulse 3, which I've unboxed. You can see there is a card over here. That's a very costly speaker, and that's not that loud. Like, this is a very loud speaker in my opinion. The bass is superb and the price is amazing. Like, it's just a value for money product which you're buying from the link given in the description. So friends, this is it for now. This is the unboxing and review of the Artis BT504 RGB. Thank you for watching, friends.